Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're playing Penguin Tycoon. Of course, it's a new update. I've been playing this for a long time, but let's go to the YouTuber
Island.
As if they know I'm a YouTuber. I'm just gonna buy everything because I'm rich. Wait, what? I'm just gonna... Oh! Big button. What button? Oh! That just appeared. Camera lights. I'm just gonna buy everything here. I'm a millionaire, I think. It's only 1 million in the gaming desk. Small button. Yeah, this is probably me. Oh, a cap. This is probably me. Why do you need a camera in your Hi, this is editor me. Beds? This is gonna take a long time for me to edit. I'm so sorry. What? Another gaming desk. Nice. You can upload a video. Let's see how my goes. Tap a fish. Cool.
Tap, 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 tap.
Fish. Collect the fish. Tap. Tap, 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 tap. I can tap really fast, but this is going very well. Tap, 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 tap the fish. No! Don't jump away from me. I'm just gonna tap really hard. No! Oh, I gotta edit my video. I just need someone in my life to give it structure. Yeah, I just listen to that bad ending video. Yeah, I just listened to that bad ending. I like it. I kind of like it. Play YouTuber.
Why?
I'm just gonna go to the stupid line that is. Wait, I'm a billionaire.
That stupid little line takes me to a theme. But oh wait, that's not a theme.
The stupid line is taking me to a new island. Nice. Logs. I wonder where this leads. Says the badge. Rocks. Trees. I need trees in my life. Well, I know where this leads. Death. Oh, it's been 3 minutes, but I can't touch the sky. Me too. Me too, up there. That was a cringe moment. Very cringe. I love you so. Island extension. Bushes. Ticket stand. Bench. Ticket stand. Bench. Ticket stand. Bench. Okay, now it's done. Sign. Barriers. It's not connected. Okay, I'm gonna... Theme park. Nice. Swings. Foundation. What? Hot dog shop roof. Hot dogs. Cooker. I need a cooker. Balloon stand. Ticket penguin. And I love you so. This is a nice song. I even have it on my
Hot
playlist.
dog.
Hot dog. Shut up. I just search up things that I like. let's go fly in a dog.
I always get bored of editing, so say bye to Edisher me.
Yes, and if you ask what is Edisher, that's editor in the text to speech.
No! I'm stuck. Oh wait, I'm not. Pool. A pool! Nice. No, there's a big old pool. Annoying. I'm dead. Well, that's not how death goes, but... Whip. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay. Storage. What do I need storage for? Your mom. Hang out with your mom? Maybe hang out with your mom? I don't know, hang out with your mom? Rock. What? That's a big rock. I didn't pay for that. Barriers. Ferris wheel. Oh, holy shit, it's even working. It's working. Bushes. I'm gonna pack my things and leave you behind. Can I get in, please? Please. Please, can I get in? Can I please get in? No, I wanted the black one. I'm gonna pack my things and leave. Oh, new island. Nice. Island. What is it taking me to? Yeah. I don't really look at the seaweeds. Why do I need seaweeds? Trees. What do those trees? Towel, umbrella, towel. Hammock. I want no. I love you so. I'm not pay to win. I'm sorry, I'm not paid to win. I just went fishing for a long time. With this. I don't want fishing AFK for 1 hour straight one time. Ah, Tiggles. Hey, Mimo. I found Mimo. I found Mimo. Lilo. Huh. That's almost Mimo. Oh. What? How? I'm dead. What do? Diana, go away. Oh, bar. What the? 1-0. It just. Maybe it. Oh, another one. Another one. Another one. Thumbs deep. Yeah. Support us by leaving us thumbs up. Leave a thumbs up on Penguin Tycoon and this video you're watching right now to save my life from these ungos. Yeah, ungos are Jughead. Okay, now I'm back to grinding. What do? I'm trying to monetize here. Boat! Aw, it's broken. It's broken. Treasure chest. It's right here. Pirate penguin. umbrella. I just need someone in my life to give it structure. Garage walls. Can I please have a big button? Can I? A car. Can I ride it, please? I want to ride it. Can I ride the car? No! Can I ride the other car? Nah. I'm polar bear. I love you so, and I love you so. I love you so. I have to end this video really later. Oh, and I love you. Not. Well, bye. I'm gonna edit this video and it's gonna take a long time to upload. I'm gonna fish for the rest of the video. I'm gonna fish and buy that polar bear. Polar bear be like, I'm gonna kill you. Pirate. I am not paid to win. Sorry, I am not paid to win. I am not paid to win. I am not paid to win. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go end this video in the pool because I'm sus. I am sus. I'm gay. I'm gonna end this video off with a I'm dead funny stuff. Well, bye-bye.